papaya. Maglalakad kami guys. Pupunta kami dyan sa community center. Marymount Community Center. Kami maghanap ng pagkain. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch. Ito, lakad-lakad kami guys. Oh, gumamela. This is gumamela. Ha? Gumamela. Papaya. Wow. Oh, Salvation Army guys. Ayan. This is nice flower. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's balimbin. Look at that. That's balimbin. Means granatis in Ilocano. Oh, that's nice. Wow, the papaya. Why they put clothes? Why they put like that, the papaya? It's a nice papaya there. Oh, so hot, Abby. We're going to Crossland. Why here? Why? Yeah, because the breeze here is too hot, guys. Very hot weather. We're going there. Marymount Community Club, guys. We're going to see some food. Ha? Fried chicken. Oh, fried chicken there. Yeah. What do you mean, Anos? Anos is the company? Okay. Is it nice? Did you try before? Oh, why so fast? Drive so fast for what? Don't drive slowly, guys. So big, the community center. Very slow. Very, very, very slow. Come on, green light, please. I'm very sleepy. So means no more dinner tonight. This is my lunch and dinner. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, my husband chartering me. Now we're going to eat lunch, and he said this is my lunch and dinner. No more dinner tonight. Diet. This is all the constructions, guys. Okay. They have a bowling there, is it? Yes.
I've been living life.